In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change default font in Outlook email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set your preferred font, size, and style in both the new Outlook experience, which covers the web and the redesigned desktop app, and the classic Outlook desktop app. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused, so you can make your emails look consistent and professional. Let's start with the new Outlook, which includes Outlook on the web and the new desktop version. First, open Outlook and look to the top right for the Settings gear icon. Click that to open the Settings panel. In the left pane, select Mail, then choose Compose and Reply. You'll land in the Message Format area, which controls how your email looks when you write. Here, pick your preferred font. Choose a comfortable size, and select formatting like bold or italic, if you want that to be your default style. When you are happy with the preview, be sure to click Save. If you skip saving, your changes won't stick. From now on, whenever you compose a new message or reply, Outlook will use these defaults automatically. A quick tip here: choose a widely supported font for the best compatibility and readability. And keep the size accessible. Often 11 or 12 is a safe pick. Also, if you use color, keep contrast high so your text is easy to read across devices. Now let's switch to the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook. Go to the File tab in the top left, and select Options. In the Options window, click Mail, then look for the Stationery and Fonts button under the Compose Messages section. This is where you set your defaults. You'll see separate controls for two situations. For new mail messages, click the Font button to choose your font, style, and size. Then, for replying or forwarding messages, click the Font button in that section and choose Settings for replies and forwards, which can be different if you prefer a slightly smaller or less formal style. When you are done, click OK in the Font dialog, and then click OK again in the Stationery and Fonts window to save everything. If you close without confirming, the changes won't apply. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.